Alright, just give you a quick view of how to do this. I said brake line, but this is actually, fuel line, steel line, single wall. Way you get your fittings, if you look right here, it's a T-cut. Just get you a bolt or something like that. Figure out how long you want it to be on there, kind of where you want it to be at. Do your T-cut. Take your screwdriver, just kind of prise it open. Flatten that out. Take your drill. Yeah, that was nice to cut myself. Take your drill your hole out, and you got a ring connector. Grind it down, you got a spade connector. I mean, basically whatever you want to do out of this right here, you can do it, and just take it to the grinder, grind it, you're good to go. But after you get it cut, just take your little pipe cutter and just cut it off. Just fix it right there where you got about 1/4 of an inch or better on that, and you're good to go.